Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how I was able to transform this ugly looking pair of leggings into an amazing mini skirt. So let's dive right into the video. The first thing that I did, I took the legging and I measured the areas that I think were of right height to me. I used a piece of soap, so you can use anything as long as you can be able to see the area that you have marked. I then took a pair of scissors and I started cutting the leggings into two pieces on the areas that I had already marked. After cutting, I also started cutting there, as you can see. I trimmed off the excess fabric on the side so that it could be able to snatch my body so well. So I cut that part that doesn't look so nice. I did that on the other side also. After cutting, I now started sewing on the areas that I had already trimmed off. So basically that's just the sewing. I sewed the areas, as you can see. After sewing both sides, now I placed the skirt and I started looking at areas that I can trim off on the edges, especially at the very lower end. And that's just it. I started trimming it to a height that I think was okay, and also to just make sure that both the sides were looking so nice and they were aligned. I didn't want to sew the bottom part because I just liked the way it looked. So I just trimmed it off, and that's just it, guys. This is the transformation now. Ooh, wow, I love it. So guys, that's just it. Thank you guys.